Don't worry, I got you. Watch this video very carefully. I love how this is set up just like a natural home medicine cabinet. Here we go. All right, here we go. I love how it gives the ingredients for everything that you need. It also gives the instructions and even the dosage. This is the Forgotten Home Apothecary with 250 powerful remedies. This is an amazing, powerful resource. Every home in America should have this book. I'm going to drop the link below. Grab it right now before they sell out, because they sell out pretty quick.